Hello, my dear students. Our lesson for today is how to measure. Measurements help us to describe real-world objects. We will learn how to find the area of the circle and how to find the area of a semicircle. Let's start. The new vocabulary is semicircle. First of all, we said before that the area of the circle, which means the space inside the circle. This is the difference between area and circumference. The circumference is the line which is around the circle, which means the perimeter of the circle. But the area of the circle is the space inside the circle. So the formula is to find the area of the circle, you have to multiply pi times the squared over the radius. So it's pi r with the power of 2. If we have a circle like this, and here this is the radius length is 2 inch, use pi 3.14. Now, to find this area, we said before that the formula is area equals pi r with the power of 2, which means pi times r times r. So I will replace the pi with 3.14 times a with the power 2 with the power of 2. Now it's a 3.14 times 4, which is 12.56. So the area is 12.56 inch square. If you want to find the area of this circle, we said before that the formula is area equals pi r with the power of 2. And I can say the area here equals, we replace the pi with 3.14 times r with the power of 2 is 16, or you could say 4 times 4, because r with the power of 2 is 4 times 4. So the area here equals the 3.14 times 16. So after we multiply 3.14 times 16, the area will be 50.24 centimeters squared, because this is the unit of measuring area. Let's move to the next. Find the area of the circle. Its radius length is 14. And now we will use, instead of 3.14, the value which is 22 over 7 represented by pi. So area equals pi r with the power of 2. So I will replace the pi with 22 over 7, as he said here in the example, and then multiply it by 14 with the power of 2. The 14 with the power of 2 is 196, multiplied by 22 over 7. So the answer will be 616. After we simplified 7 and 196, divided by 7 divided by 7, 7 divided 7 is 1, and 196 divided 7 is 28. So 22 times 28 is 616. Now find the area of the circle with radius length is 7 centimeters, 7 meters. So we represented by pi 22 over 7. So I can say that area equals 22 over 7. And the radius with the power of 2, which means 7 times 7. Now I can simplify before I do the multiplication. Divided 7 is 1, divided 7 is 1. Now I can multiply 22 times 1 times 7. 22 times 1 is 22. 22 times 7 is 154 meter square. So this is the area of this circle. Here we have this coin, and here the diameter is 24. And I want you to use the pi 3.14. Let's remember that the rule of the area we should find the radius length. Do you remember how to find the radius length? Yes, the radius is diameter divided 2, is half the diameter. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. So this is the radius length. Now write down your formula. Area equals pi r with the power of 2, and here pi is 3.14 times radius length, which is 12 with the power of 2. It's 3.14 times 12 with the power of 2, which is 144. So the final answer will be 452.16 millimeter square. Now I have finished my session for today. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.